Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to aim better in Modern Combat 5 Blackout. If you want to improve your aim in Modern Combat 5, then first of all, launch open the game on your device and from the home page, tap the drop down at the top right corner, which will open up this expanded menu. Now click the gear button from the menu. Inside the settings menu that pops up, click on Controls. Inside Controls, go ahead and choose sensitivity and start with the medium sensitivity. Choose from the radar. If you make the sensitivity too high, it will make your aim shaky, and too low, then it makes it hard to track fast moving enemies. So just aim for the medium sensitivity, which can be put up to 50. And once you are done, tap on the arrow on the right corner to flip the page. Now go ahead and keep doing it and find the smooth aim option. Now click on the button under smooth aim and make sure you turn it on. After you do this, you will be able to turn on the better camera movement from shorter touch inputs to help aiming. Once you have both of these options turned on, you can then get back to the game and start playing the game. Improving your aim is all about consistency, not perfection. Even pro players keep adjusting their sensitivity and refining their techniques. Stick with a routine and review your mistakes and play with focus, and your accuracy will improve. So that is how you can easily aim better in Modern Combat 5 Blackout. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.